You'll never guess what I've just gone and done. I've just gone out and bought a new helmet, much needed, and it wasn't cheap. Tell you what, let's go in for a coffee and I'll tell you all about it. Went for the latte today. Okay, so I'm going on a road trip, well, a little 4-day camping road trip. Starting, so it's Monday today, and I'm going on Wednesday morning. Going up to Cumbria for 2 days camping, and then on Friday riding down to Stratford-upon-Avon for the Adventure Bike Festival. Adventure Bike Rider Festival. And just been assessing my my helmet. Thought I'd give it a good clean. I've washed all the inners and stuff, and I was taking it apart yesterday, just literally getting all the bugs, because the amount of bugs and stuff you get inside all this. I thought, you know, it's nice to have a nice clean lid. Now I've had this lid for I think 4 years. It's getting on for 4 years. If it's not 4 years, it's getting on that way. It's the best helmet I've ever had. It's just so quick and easy. It fits my head like a glove, and I've always been really pleased with it. And if anything, I'd like to buy this again in matte black. However, they've stopped making the AX8, so this is the AX8 Dual Evo. So dual meaning dual sport, because you get the peak on it as well. But I've had, I can say, years of use out of it, and it's got its few scratches on everything. But as I was taking it apart yesterday, I noticed there's quite a severe split on the back of the helmet, to the point where I think my my head would be compromised in a bad fall. So I've taken the decision to replace it. Now, unfortunately, you can't get any AX8s anymore, and the new AGV Dual Sport is the AX9, which I'm sure is a much better lid, but I just don't like the look of it. I've seen all the reviews. It's just bigger. Now I've got a massive nugget. It's a huge head, so I'll do anything to make my head look smaller. When it's inside a helmet, you put me in a Shark helmet, you know, they're a great helmet. I've had a Shark Evo in the past. Actually, I'll try and find a picture and put it just up here. But just look at the size of my head in it. You know, it's the lid's just massive and it's heavy. So, because I do a lot of riding, weight is a very key thing for me. Ideally, I wanted to get another AGV AX8 Dual Sport in carbon, in a nice black carbon, because I'm not really fussed with all the colour scheme, and this doesn't really match my bike right now with the colour scheme, but that doesn't bother me too much. So question is, what have I bought? So I've been out this morning and tried on the extra large in a particular brand. A little bit pricey, but I tell you what I tell you is I tried on the Klim Krios. I tried on an Arai Tour X4 or an Arai X4 Tour. Apparently they've changed. It used to be X4 Tour, and now it's called a Tour X4. It's got a whole new peak design and stuff. And I tried on a SHOEI. So all that kind of dual sport look with the peak on there. Which one of those three did I buy? So Klim Krios, an Arai Tour X4, or a SHOEI dual sport lid. It's one of those three. So what we're going to do is I'm going to take all my intercoms out of here, and unfortunately they didn't have the size lid that I wanted at the shop, but I did get £100 knocked off it, which I was well chuffed. So what I'm going to do is take out all my intercom systems from here, and in 24 hours I'll be getting my new lid delivered. So the point is, I tried on the extra large in the shop, but in a horrible colour. Well, not horrible, just not my choice of colours. and I want it in black. So they didn't have that in stock, so that's now being shipped to me on a 24-hour shipment. So that'll be here tomorrow. So if I sit here, drink my coffee, take my intercoms out of my lid. Tell you what, why don't we just fast forward to tomorrow? Wow, that's fantastic. Did you guess right? Where the last time? Oh my God, I even got changed. That's great. I've had a shave as well. Where's my hat gone? Right, so this is it. It's here. So, did you guess right? Did you think I was going to go for the Klim? Or did you think I was going to go for the SHOEI Hornet? No, I've gone for the Arai. So, let's unpack it. I think I'm going to have to stand up. I can't see him. Right. I haven't bought an Arai for years. Very nice. Right. Stickers, a manual, and some brackets there. Right. Let's open her up. Ooh. That's very nice indeed. Very nice. Let's try it on. Fits like a glove. That is fantastic. I'm very pleased with that. Now, I am aware there's lots of adjustments you can make with this lid. This is actually fitting quite tight, but I know it's a good fit. Apparently there's 5 different layers you can take out from inside it to actually make it better, but the recommendation is to persist with it because obviously there's going to be some give in the first 10 hours of riding or so. So yeah, what do you think? I've got a new visor coming through the post today as well. Nice tinted visor to give it that stealth Harrier fighter jet pilot look. Hey, if you haven't subscribed, please, can you subscribe? And give me a like or a hate. Leave a comment below what you thought my selection was going to be. Did you think I was going to go for the Arai? Or do you think I was going to go for the SHOEI or the Klim? Or is there an alternative out there which you think is even better? This is supposed to be like the bee's knees when it comes to adventure lids. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.